How to remove a clip from the timeline in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where your timeline is visible. Locate the clip you want to remove from the timeline. Next, simply click on the clip to select it. You will see the clip highlighted once it is selected. Now, to remove the clip without leaving a gap, press the delete key on your keyboard and the clip will be removed, with the following clips automatically shifting to fill this space. If you want to remove the clip but keep the gap intact, you can select the clip and press Backspace on your keyboard. This will delete the clip but leave an empty space where it was. Another way is to use the blade tool to split your clip if you want to remove only a part of it. After cutting, select the unwanted segment and delete it the same way. If you accidentally remove a clip, you can quickly undo the action by pressing Ctrl+Z. That's how you can efficiently remove clips from your timeline while controlling whether the gaps stays or close up. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a clip from the timeline in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.